Well, hello everyone. Today, I'm going to try to dissect my Protocol Dronium Zero because it's not working. Stay tuned. When I start the motors, this one isn't spinning. Even if I give it a little bit of help, it will start to slow down again. If I try to take off, and if I try to take off from my hands, this actually is not the first time I've junked up my Dronium. This was my first one. This happened, and that happened, and I tried to connect the little wires, but I just didn't. But this one, nothing's really broken. Maybe I need to switch out the propellers. I'll try that first. And honestly, I don't treat my Droniums that well. I crash them on purpose because that's kind of sort of what they're meant for. I mean, they're toy drones. Maybe I crash them a little bit too much.
Okay, there you go, guys.
We're gonna fly the drone up on the roof, James.
I like fly drone.
Up on the roof?
No, I'm on the roof.
Not on the roof? But I want to fly on the roof.
No, you don't.
Way up there on the roof.
James, you're smart. You're smarter than Brian.
No, not faster.
On the roof?
No, not on the roof.
Why not on the roof?
Way up there.
Can I touch the roof?
Yeah.
Hey, I touched the roof. Hitting the roof. Whoops, no, Whoa.
No.
All right, men.
And I kind of wanted to see what would happen if I tried to turn it on without propellers on. Ooh, that's weird. So this one's the only one that's spinning erratically. Oh, now it stopped spinning. Well, that's interesting. I think I'm gonna try taking a look into this one. Is this thing off? Oh, maybe I should turn it off before I start poking around at it. So I think I figured out what the problem is. It's this little gear here that its notches are all junked up. So now I'm probably gonna have to go on their website and buy that specific part, which will kind of stink. Oh wait, I have a broken one. I could just use this one for parts. I was able to get this little tiny piece out. Now I'm gonna get a new piece from my broken Dronium. Got the new piece from my old Dronium. I got the new piece on. Now I need to put everything back together. All right, let's see how it flies. Oh, the propellers are spinning. Well, that's strange. It's like it's in flip mode because this can actually do flips, and these back two are going much, much faster than the front two. So I give it a little tap up. Oh, this is too funny. All right. So, in conclusion, this is definitely not a perfect fix, but at least I got the propellers spinning, I guess. I'm an idiot. I actually made a very, very stupid mistake. Putting the propellers back on, I put this one on this side and this one on this side, where actually I just had to reverse them. So I just reversed them, it works fine. Because this one, as you can see, spins this way, counterclockwise. Well, this one is supposed to spin clockwise. So before, when I had them reversed, it was actually spinning like it was trying to push air up, not push air down. Here we go. A fully functional protocol. Dronium 0. Yeah, I'm already crashing again.